Yo, what's poppin', man? Street Trader Fix here, back with another video. So on this one, I'm going to show you a way to improve your, hold on, let me put this here, bruv. Hope you're doing good, by the way. So today we're only going to discuss SNR, and we're only going to focus on support levels and how to improve your strike rate or how to get direction, right? This is just a free video for you guys, and for the new ones who just joined my channel, just wanted to give you guys something as well. So the first thing that you have to understand is how support and resistance levels are formed, right? Obviously, you're going to focus on two candles, a sell and then a buy, right? Or a buy and then a sell. But in this case, it's a sell and then a buy. So the first thing that you're going to need to observe, right? Actually, let me not mention that because I know the guys in the group will not be happy with me mentioning this. So what you're going to look for is a sell and then you wait for a buy candle, right? So in order for you to improve your strike rate, or in order for you to be able to pick levels which actually do work in your favor, you have to wait for a new area of support to be formed after the reaction on the first area of support, right? What do I mean by that? You have a sell and then you have a buy, right? Let's say your bias is to be bullish, right? Right? And then you get an area of support, let's say somewhere around here, and then price comes back. Once it comes back here, you want to see it creating a sell and then a buy, right? Next to a sell and then a buy, right? Once it breaks from here, you're gonna use the new area of support, which is this one, right? Hopefully that's clear, but you're gonna see way better when we're on the charts. Let me just change this to, I want to fix this right now. Fresh POI is going to be blue. This is a turquoise. So that's the area that you're going to observe, right? Why? Because this one has proved that it can possibly support price, right? And if you're wrong, then you're wrong, right? You would have missed out on making money on the small move if ever it does decide to come back here and then sell off, right? But that's okay. The main goal here is for you to be conservative, right? Is for you to be able to manage your capital based on what usually works the most, right? Because taking trades here on the first area of support is usually high risk, right? You have to be a lot more experienced with one setup first before you can actually start adding anything else. So what I'm showing you now is just for you to be able to start with something which works way better, and then you can gravitate towards this one in order for you to get more opportunities, right? So anyway, let's go to the charts right now. I want to quickly show you something, and I think let me just quickly check which time frame it was on. Let me quickly check that. I want to check something which worked, because if I don't show you what worked, then you won't be able to understand. Weekly. Was it on the sell? Let me see. Well, we're discussing a buy right now, so obviously it has to be a buy. This one has already reacted. I'll quickly check something here. Let me just show you a rough example. And then we're gonna look for an example on a lower time frame. I do know that there was a setup which I did take on the 4 hour, I think. So in this case, we had a sell and then a buy, right? And let's say in this case, we were somewhere around here, right? Price created a sell and then a buy. We're gonna mark this level up, right? This is our potential buy zone, right? But price ended up taking out these highs, but it did not take them out significantly. So this high right here is our possible target, right? is our possible target when we come back here. When we do come back here, right? So right now, price reacted from this area of support. I'm just showing you a rough example. This is the monthly. You wouldn't expect it to just react immediately. And I do have reasons why it did not even come back here, but I'm not going to show you that right now. So in this case, we created the first area right here. And then this is the new area which formed next to this one, right? Next to this one. So there's a likelihood that price might come back here later on and then do something like that. But in the meantime, we do not know where price is going to reverse, right? And that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how to pick levels which are going to work. So fine, let's go on the weekly. I want to quickly check something here. Weekly. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. I'm not seeing anything yet. Not seeing anything. I'm just gonna look for the ones which I had setups on. So because these charts are a bit different from each other. XAUUSD. Let's check on Oenda because I'm seeing a slight difference with the charts. A little bit of a difference with the charts. Let's see, where did I take that trade, man? Where did I take that trade? Oh, okay. Now I remember. Okay, let me remove the period separators right now. So remember, on gold, I was bullish on the daily, right? And I'm gonna show you where my target was. I was bullish up until I was targeting this high right here. That's why around there I closed my buys. So on the 4 hour, what I saw, and that's the reason for the buy which I ended up taking. So on the 4 hour, what I saw was that fine, price created an area of support right here, right? And I'm not gonna go in depth. There's so many things which I can discuss about this area, but I'm just gonna show you one thing. So price right here created this area of support, a sell and then a buy. Someone is gonna ask, bro, why don't you just wait for this buy candle to close above? It's okay. I have my reasons. I don't want to explain them right now. I'm just showing you a typical example of what you should do, right? Price created a sell, and I do know why I decided to buy, even though we do have this candle. Most of the guys in the group do know that. So a sell, buy, and then this is your first area of support right here. Come on, man. Then price reacted from it, right? You can see this candle never really tapped this area. It tapped with this one, a sell, and then it created a new area, right? This is the new area for buy, right? This is the new area for buy, right there. Then what did I do, bro? We have the first area right here. First area, second area, you're gonna be confident with taking the trade, right? Because the second area, you're gonna be confident with taking the trade because the first area did show you that it's willing to take price higher. And another thing is that we do have a higher target, right? So your entry here, your target here. Simple as that, bro. So my entry right here, 30 pips stop loss, then we're good. Oh, what's my 30 pips stop loss, bro? I can just quickly look for that on my Telegram, but yeah, I'm just lazy. Then that's that. Simple as that, bro. So let's recap. What do you want to see? You want to see a sell candle, right? Sell candle like that, followed by a buy candle. Just like that. Then what should happen next? what should happen next? That's a bullish candle right here, right? So what you would do, you just mark up your area like that. That's your buy zone, right? Just mark up your buy area like that. You wait for price to tap this level, to tap and react from this buy area. Let me just leave it as that. And then you get a new buy area like that. Then from here, you can just simply set your limit like that. And then your higher target. Simple as that, bro. So I really hope this video has helped you. And yeah, give me your feedback in a few days if ever it's gonna take you that long to understand this. But make sure that you do back test. Give yourself time to do to back test actually. And then in due time, you'll obviously understand. So let's see, bro. Look at this. Sell, buy. Right? First area is here. Then let's just say second area, you got, let's say buy, sell, buy. Let's say you got taken, or obviously you weren't taken out. So, because, okay, let me show you something. This video is going to end up being something big, man. Okay, sell and then buy, right? This area is not valid because we never tapped this one, right? So you wouldn't want to use this area for buy. You're going to wait for it to react here first. And then price reacts here and then creates a second buy area. Then what happens, bro? What happens? Your first target obviously has to be here, the closest high, bro, or the higher time frames high. Just take it here, 30 pips stop loss. Don't care if you're gonna get like 1 or 2 R, bro. Just make money. That's all. Let's see, 30 pips stop loss. Where it's gonna be around here, just around there. And then you target this high. Yeah, I think someone did send me in the group that they did take this trade. Yeah, someone did mention that. Then you take 70 pips on this trade, then you're good. Yeah, someone took a trade from here. One of my guys, I think. Yeah. But on their broker, there was a bit of a stop hunt here. That's why I'm not going to mention much. But anyway, this is what you could do. And yeah, let's say for instance with this one, right? Let's say for instance with this one. Once price, remember this one has not tapped this area yet, right? So it's a bit high risk. So let's say price comes back here and taps this area. It has to create another sell, another buy and then a sell. Then you're gonna take it with here with that area. Simple as that. So anyway, let me not mention too much. I might end up showing you so much more that you shouldn't see, which people paid for. So yeah. And yeah, anyway, follow me on Telegram. Join my Telegram group. It's t.me / Street Trader FX, right? This is my Telegram, and just to show you, come on, paste it, man. Ugh, man, what the bro, come on. Just pop it up like that, tap here, then you open, bruv. Open the telly. You'll find me there. Peace. Love you, boys.